Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download subtitles for your video using Konch. Step 1. Start by logging into your Konch account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard. You'll see a button in a square shape that says Upload your audio or video file. Click on it to start the process. Step 3. You'll now have the option to drag and drop your video file, or you can click to choose a file directly from your computer. Step 4. Select the video file that you want to transcribe. Be sure it's the correct file, as this is where you'll get the subtitles from. Step 5. Choose your preferred language for the transcription, and within minutes, your transcript will be ready on the dashboard. Step 6. Now, move to the right side of your dashboard where you'll see the Export Transcript as option. From there, you can select the format for your subtitles, either SRT or VTTT. Simply click Download to get the file. Step 7. With the subtitles downloaded, you can now add them to your video in your editing software or upload them directly on platforms like YouTube. That's it. You've successfully downloaded your subtitles using Konch. Don't forget to check out more tools at konch.ai for seamless transcription and subtitle management.